Are you ready to transform your home cooking and take control of your meals? Introducing the Rogue Butcher Sausage Stuffer, your new best friend in the kitchen. With the Rogue Butcher Sausage Stuffer, you can save money at the grocery store while creating delicious, healthy sausages and meatballs right at home. You decide what goes into your food. Fresh ingredients, fresh spices, and all the flavors that you love. Save money and enjoy peace of mind knowing exactly what you're feeding your family. And that's not all. Order today and you'll receive my collection of over 50 free sausage recipes to inspire your culinary adventures. From powerhouse protein sausages like cranberry turkey quinoa to our groundbreaking flavors like Caribbean jerk, Hawaiian pineapple, plus all the classics like spicy hot, honey garlic, and much, much more. You might be saying, well, I've never made sausage before. No problem. With your purchase today, you'll receive a free access code to our easy to follow sausage course, where we show you just how easy it is. Don't wait. Order your Rogue Butcher Sausage Stuffer and unlock your culinary potential. Your family and your wallet will thank you.